The following video is a OMNITURN GT-75. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for you today.
Okay, we're just going to go ahead and start jogging stuff around. Set our feed rate to about 40. Let's see, we'll set the high speed. Oops. Okay, 3. All right. Let's go ahead and move the Z. Move back. Go ahead and move X up. So where my number's at, move it down. Alright, move back up. Looks really good. Alright. We'll go ahead and turn the spindle on. Alright, I've got it preset. This one runs at 2,500 RPM. Right now it's set for 600. I'm going to use the spindle override. It's 1,200, 1,500, 1,800, 2,000, 2,400, 2,600, that's 2,700 is the maximum. And we stop.
Perfect. Again, the following video is a OMNITURN GT-75 CNC lathe.